Mm. Good afternoon, students. My name is Derlis Tumbaco, your teacher of the subject of biology. And today we are going to work on the unit number 1, which is marine biology, with the topic 1.1, dolphins characteristics. I'm going to show you my lesson plan. The resources that I'm going to use is EducaPlay for the warm-up, my computer, Canvas slides, and images, and Quizalize for the test. Now, let me share the slides. Okay. Well, the class of today is about dolphins. I'm pretty sure that many people think that they are the most beautiful creature that exists in the ocean, but today you're going to change that perception, okay? I'm going to present my objective, which is students will understand what dolphins are and their classification and learn more about their behavior. After that, let's start with a little fun activity, which is of word search puzzle. In this puzzle, you have to find 10 words that are related with the class of today, and you're going to use vocabulary such as columns or rows. Anyone in here knows what is a row? Andrea?
Like this.
Yes, that is a row. And a column makes it. No. Andrea is wrong. What you do is a column. Okay, that is a column. A row is that goes from one side to the other. Okay. And you're going to tell me, like, if you find a word, you're going to tell me like column 2, row 8. And I'm going to find that word. Let me. You have to find the 10 words that are related with the topic of today, which is dolphins. Andrea, can you see any word?
Orcas.
Orcas. Another.
Flippers.
Which one?
Flippers.
Flippers. What is it? Flip. Okay. Another.
Bottlenose in the first row.
Bottlenose.
Fin.
Fin. Fin. There are 6 words left. Come on. The time is running.
Mammals.
Toxis? Spherical.
Spherical.
Yes, spherical.
Spherical. Another? There.
Toxins. Toxins.
Toxins.
Mammals.
Mammals.
Delphinidae.
Delphinidae.
Maybe cetaceans. Cetaceans.
Yes. Cetaceans. And the last one, which is flukes. I found it. There are all the 10 words, right? 1, 2, 3. Yes. Now let's continue with the class. Maria Paula, can you help me reading the introduction, please?
All right, so introduction. Dolphins are marine mammals belonging to the cetacean family and are characterized by aerodynamic body, fins and tails, flukes, and breathing through spiracles.
Okay, that's right. Dolphins, or Delphinidae in scientific terms, also oceanic dolphins to distinguish them from plastinoid or river dolphins, are dolphins that many people are mistaken because they think that the dolphins belong to the cetaceous family like whales, but it is not. They are mammals. Dolphins are considered mammals because of several characteristics like warm blood, pulmonary respiration, viviparous birth, they do not lay eggs, and male production. The characteristics that are present in a dolphin is the aerodynamic body, fins and tail, or flukes in this case, and breathing through an spiracle. Now, let me show you the dolphin anatomy. Well, let's start with rostrum. The rostrum is the long nose where the mouth is. The eye, I'm pretty sure that everyone in here knows what an eye is. An ear is a little black point that you can see in the photo. The flippers is the side fins used for steering. The umbilicus is the small sear led from the belly button, which is where the mother dolphin connected to the fetus during pregnancy. The fluke, which is the tail fin that helps them move through the water. Next, we have the peduncle, which is the strong part of the body that connects the tail to the rest of the parts of the dolphin. The dorsal fin, which is a fin on their back that keeps them stable in the ocean. The blowhole, or in this case, an spiracle, which is the same. A blowhole is a hole on top of their head that helps dolphins for breathing. And for last, the melon. That is a round part on their forehead that helps them make sounds. Now, let's continue with the types of dolphins. Mitzi, can you help me reading, please?
There are about 40 species. The best known are bottlenose dolphin, orcas, and river dolphin.
Okay, thank you. There are currently around 40 species of dolphin recognized by scientists, but I'm saying around. I'm not saying that there are 40 with accuracy because 32 species belong to the oceans and other five belong to the rivers. In this case, you can appreciate in the photos three types of dolphins. In the first one is the bottlenose dolphin. You can see the shape of the bottle in her nose, in its nose. Next, an orca. I'm pretty sure that many people think that the orcas belongs to the whales family, but it is not. It is scientifically proven that belongs to dolphins family. And the last one is a pink dolphin. It's commonly seen in river dolphin, and you can appreciate that it's a river because of the color of the water. Let's continue with what I mentioned at the beginning. Things you didn't know about dolphins. Um, Nayeli, can you help me reading, please?
Each dolphin
Just,
has
just, just the first point.
each dolphin has its own click or whistle.
Yeah. Each dolphin has its own click or whistle, which in our language, it is commonly known as its name. And one thing about dolphins is that they can remember their name for at least 20 years. Carla, help me with the second fact.
In spite of their image, they can kill other dolphins.
Yeah. Dolphins kill their sons or their offsprings so that the female is available to reproduce again. And if she doesn't want, they are able to bully her in group. That could last at least days or even weeks. So that is a very that's horrible. Now, Maria, with the third fact, please.
The third, right?
Yes,
They have a lot of strength in their tails.
exactly. Let me put an example. A punch from a person is equivalent to 45 to 58 kilograms. But if you compare this with a force of their tails, that is equivalent to between 200 and 300 kilograms of force. They have a lot of strength in their tails. Um, Pedro, with the last one.
Okay, they mistreat other species just for fun.
Okay, they mistreat other species just for fun. In this case, they play in quotation mark with other species until they can kill other species. In this case, as like the pufferfish, which in Spanish is the pez globo. They play with them until they die. And with the toxins that they leave, they get high. And the dolphins are the animals that are commonly known as drug addicts in the ocean. Now, it's time for the test. I'm going to show you this link in the chat box. Let me, oh my God. Please join it. Let me know when everybody's ready. Everyone is on the test?
Yes.
Andrea, Pedro, okay. Well, Maria. Well, the questions that we have in the test are: question number one, which organ in dolphins is primarily responsible for their ability to breathe air? Flukes, fins, blowhole, or gills? Question number two, what is the primary diet of most dolphin species? Plankton, seaweed, coral, or fish? Question number three, to which species do dolphins belong? Reptiles, amphibians, fish, or mammals? Question number four, how many species of dolphins exist? Around 50, 40, 30, or 20? And the last question, what if the common dolphin is characterized by? By its blowhole, by its nose, or by its flappers? And we have the winner, which was Carla. Congratulations. And thank you. That was all for today. Today, you have learned about interesting facts about dolphins. And for the next class, we are going to check about marine ecosystems. So thank you so much. Thank you for your attention.